Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new bit on Bonk. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line was retesting. In fact, after a retest, the price line was gearing up from the resistance of the channel that was working as support. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that now after this gear up, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00003 that was previously working as support here for several days. And if we move over back, then here it had been working as a resistance, here as a resistance, and here resistance, resistance, resistance. And now again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price. And recently it was working as support, and now after the breakdown, it flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long term symmetrical triangle as well. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection, bounce, another bounce, rejection, bounce. And after getting squeezed, it broke it out, and then we had a very, very powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup of a move, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 27th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the daily time frame chart of Bonk. And here you can see that since after 17th of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after so many rejections, find the price and broke out the resistance, but again dropped down, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that this support of 0.002479 can work as a very strong support, because this was a major swing low point before the breakout. And previously, it had been working as a very strong resistance here for several days. And here it was working as a support, and here as a resistance. And now, again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And after testing this support along with this previous resistance of the channel that was working as support, and the price then also retested this resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00003 that had been recently working as support here. Before that was working as a resistance here, and resistance here for several days or weeks. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, right now we are trying to break it out. And in case of another rejection, it can again drop down at this support of $0.00002479. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $0.000062. And if the price and reach is there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $0.00004 and goes to $0.000044. That has been previously working as a resistance on here, resistance here, resistance here. And after the breakout for several days, it had been working as a support here. Now we are switched back to the daily time frame. And after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a resistance. Now here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long term symmetrical triangle. And for example, if you are trading this breakout and you have bought a bonk after the breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this uptrend line support, because this can work as a very firm and strong and long-term support for the price end of bonk. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle is here. That is approximately at point at 00 and 03 times 0, $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.